The frog that couldn't stop croaking. The story begins in a marshy pond where lots and lots of frogs lived. It was a very noisy place to live at night, as it is the home of hundreds of frogs. Croak, 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 ribbit, ribbit is all that you could hear all through the night. But as soon as the sun came out, all was quiet and peaceful, as all the frogs would sleep. Well, that's how it used to be. Croak, croak, ribbit, ribbit, until now, when a single frog by the name of Figgy croaked and croaked and didn't stop croaking. "Figgy, stop croaking," said Figgy's mum. "You are disturbing everyone's sleep." "I can't stop it," said Figgy. "I'm trying to stop." Croak, croak, ribbit, ribbit. "I know how to stop it," said Figgy's friend Floppy. "How? Tell me quickly," said Figgy. Croak, croak. "Okay, we need a paper bag," said Floppy. "There's no paper bag here," said Figgy's mum. "So that wasn't very helpful," said Figgy. Croak, croak. "Okay," said Floppy, "I have another idea. Breathe in and then hold your breath for a few minutes." "Wait, what? So I have to breathe in and hold my breath for a few minutes?" Croak, croak. "Will it work?" asked Figgy. "Ribbit, ribbit." "Try it, Figgy," said his mum. So Figgy took a deep breath and held his breath for as long as he could. "I think it worked," Figgy said excitedly. Croak, 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 croak. "Oh dear, it didn't work. I will be croaking forever, ribbit." Just then along came a lady frog named Florence. "Hello, you seem to have a problem, Figgy." "Hello, croak, croak, Florence. Yes, I have a big problem, croak, croak. I think that I can help you. I heard that rubbing your tummy with a pond leaf will stop it." "Really?" asked Figgy. Croak. "Come, let's try it." So Florence gathered a pond leaf and started to rub Figgy's tummy, gently round and round. She even started to hum a little song. This seemed to calm down Figgy, and the croaking was getting less and less until it finally stopped. "It stopped! It stopped!" Figgy said excitedly. "Thank you, Florence, you did it. At last I will be able to sleep."
Hooray!
"Hooray!" said Floppy. "Hooray!"
Hooray!
said Figgy's mum. "That's good," said Florence. "Sleep now, Figgy." So she hummed again. Figgy slept and slept. That's the end of this story, but I have a question. Do you think it was the pond leaf or Florence's humming that cured Figgy? I think I know. Thank you for watching.